Okay. When I'm going over here and double clicking, see that slide will be open particular. That document will be open. Getting? So this is exactly we can create an object, and when we are clicking on that object, that particular any file will be open. Any file. If it will be a maybe PDF, it will be maybe anything is depend upon. Okay. So let me delete it that. Backstep, backstep. Okay. Again, after that, we have the option equation. Sometime what happen, we need to make any kind of equation. How we can make that? Click over here. So when we are clicking in equation, the extra tab will be open. Okay, suppose I want to say 1 upon 2. Okay, x upon y. So go over here. How exactly you want to write that? Suppose this one, clicking over here. Just click in the top and write 1, it will be 1, and click to the down, it will be down. So sometime maybe we need to make a formulas also, so we can make that. Getting? Even if suppose I want to say into, okay, again 1 upon 2. So go over here, click this, click suppose this one 2, and down maybe 1. See, I'm making one formula. So when you are going to the insert and clicking to the equation, we can when you click in the equation tab will be open, and you can create a different formulas also. See, there are a lot of symbols, everything is there. What exactly you want to write, like that, like that, like that, or like x square, right now? See, getting a lot of. See, yes, it's a lot of guys. If you are thinking you can learn this full word within a 2 or 3 days, it's not possible. Even if they can give to the 1 year, it's not possible. There are a lot of, and how you can get to understand more and more when you are started by yourself. First, obviously, you want professor, you can teach you, but after later, when you are trying yourself, you can go more and more deeper. Okay. Now this is we can create the equation. Okay. Now just let me delete again everything. Going to the insert again. If suppose I want a different kind of symbols, you can write a symbols also. Like this is a copyright symbol. You can take from over here also. Okay. Uh, Now let's go with the another tab that's called design. Okay, means how I can design my templates and everything. Okay, now let's go. For that, let me remove this one also because I don't want the header and footer. Close and header footer. Okay, not close. Let me go again back, and I want to just remove that. Now I can remove delete button. Okay, I don't want this also. Delete. This one also delete. Right now, no any header and footer. Okay, let me double click, removing this, delete, and just say right now everything is removed. Okay, right now it's a blank page. Okay, what is this? It down? Something is I saw. Okay, nothing. Okay, recording is on. Yes, it's on. Now after that, suppose again I'm checking any kind of stuff like a random is equal to random at least 20 or maybe 60 of paragraph. Okay, 60 paras is coming within second. Okay, let me give to the heading also for video. After that, maybe over here matching. Okay, where exactly is this matching? Okay, heading over here matching. Over here, maybe the theme heading. Okay, and over here again, maybe the this one I'm at. This one is heading. I'm just randomly creating. It's not exactly the heading. Just I want to create that. Okay. Suppose let me take this into the heading. Heading one over here. Heading again. Matching also heading. Okay. And the video also heading. So see, heading I made it. Okay. Now when you are going to the design, and if you want to change your theme, see, themes are changed. Inside of themes, you can change the text plus the color also. See, office theme, you can see then down. Check it that. See, okay, why it's not? See. If I want to change using this, see the different one. If I want another one, check it, another one. So you can see you can change the at a time as a color plus the text also. That's called exactly the design. See, different types of design we have. See, getting even this kind of designing means for that purpose you need to create the title. If you don't have a title, you cannot able to add the design section, full design tab. Okay, you need to at least add the title. Title is important. Okay, now after that, if suppose you like the text but you didn't like the color, so you can only change the color also. See, it's only changing color. Getting? And when you are changing color, it's not only from over here, it will be apply for all over here. See? Getting? After that, if you like the color but you don't like the font, you can change the font only also. Okay, let me show again. See? Font are changing. Sit down. Getting? So you can change the font also. If you want to apply the shadow, you can apply the shadow also. Okay, getting? Now the paragraph spacing, if you want, you can see the paragraph space. See see, you can increase and decrease paragraph space also. Default means what? As it is by default. Okay, now there is guys important stuff. Let me show you. Here we have the page background. Means if suppose you want to add anything to the our page, to the background, we can add that, like a watermark. Watermark is, if suppose you have your confidential information document, means your organization document, and you want to use that. See, take this one, you can see right now it's a watermark into the background. Means this is official document for only for my organization. If suppose you don't want this one, you can go over here. See, there is what? A custom watermark. Click on custom watermark. Write over here what exactly you want. If suppose I want to write over here, Sky Vision College. Okay. Now, if suppose you want to change a color, if you want to change color that and just say apply horizontally, vertically, what exactly you want. Okay. If you want to change the font also, you can click the font also. This is extra I'm teaching. Okay. And just say okay. You can see Sky Vision College document. Okay. Even if you want to add as a picture, we can add the picture also. Let me show. I'm going to the Chrome. Okay. Going over here. After that, our Sky Vision College logo, images. See, this is Sky Vision College logo. Right click, save as. Where exactly I want to save? I want to save in download folders. And my name is logo. Okay, I have maybe the logo. Let's check. Okay, already I have downloaded. Okay, so let me get like directly check. I'm going over here again, going to the page and background section, clicking on the watermark. Okay, going to what? A customizing watermark. After that, where? See over here, we have the option what? Picture watermark. Click over there, select picture what exactly you want. It's taken a time. See, from browser, right? I'm taking a picture in download folder. Logo, where is logo? See, logo PNG, clicking and just say insert. Now search, just say okay. Isn't it? Is it looking officially? So everything your official documents made it like this. Okay. Now after that, we have the page color also. If suppose you want to change a page color, you can do the page color also change. See, getting? And if you want a border, we have the different kind of border. When you are clicking on border, you can apply the border also. Okay, let me go over here. I want to apply box border and just say select. See, hey, that is looking good like that. Okay, this is all about the design tab. And when you are coming to the next class, we are learning to the layout, preference, and mailing. Okay, so let me stop for today's class. It's almost 5 o'clock.